This week's Beyond Clean Expert Series episode, entitled AAMI TIR34 Critical Water Management, was written by water quality expert Jeffrey Paquet, President and CEO, Verta Water Quality Systems and MMIC Medical Systems. One of the most important aspects of AAMI TIR34 impacting our daily lives in sterile processing is the production and management of critical water. Critical water is the term that AAMI defines as deionized water used in final rinses. TIR34 extensively covers water quality system design best practices as well as the necessary monitoring, control, and maintenance. This is because critical water has two surprising characteristics that can cause more problems for us than it solves. Water has some unique qualities that make it ideal for attracting charged particles or ions. Water is happy when it contains these ions in solution. When we use reverse osmosis or deionization tanks to remove the ions, water becomes very electrically unstable because it wants the ions back. Because water doesn't like being ion-free, it will locate ions elsewhere in the components it is in contact with, like fixtures, pipes, and valves. Material selection of plumbing is vitally important to prevent critical water from literally dissolving your plumbing and equipment over. The other surprising quality of purified water is its susceptibility to becoming quickly contaminated with bacteria. The purification process removes the disinfectant, in most cases chlorine, from the water, making it a perfect medium for bacteria and viruses to thrive. That's why critical water plumbing should be constructed in loops that continuously recirculate the unused water back to the purification equipment, where any biological contaminants can be neutralized and removed. Even the best designed systems will experience biological contamination, measured in colony-forming units, CFUs, exceeding AAMI standards in as little as a month. A critical water system sanitization will need to be performed regularly to knock down the CFU levels, which, if untreated, can form biofilms inside the plumbing. These biofilms can become impossible to eliminate and may force the facility to remove and replace the contaminated plumbing and equipment. Thanks for listening to this episode of the Beyond Clean Expert Series. For more water quality questions and answers, you can contact Jeffrey at jpaquet@mmicmedical.com.